Hey guys, this is Jared Dunn with Mpire Financial. I'm here with Jay Gomez. He is the National Director of Growth for Mpire. Hey Jay.
Hey Jared.
Hey, we just want to take a moment to let you know why you're receiving this email. You know, one thing we realize in this industry is that things have shifted. Rates have gone up. People that we know, actually really close friends that worked for other companies, suddenly were either let go or looking to make a change because they needed to maximize every deal and their pay wasn't what they wanted to be. So at Mpire, we realized that as we're expanding, because currently we're in 13 states, we wanted to give you the opportunity to join us and the incredible team.
Yeah, one of the great things about Mpire is our compensation is some of the highest splits in the industry.
Absolutely.
The best part of that is there's no cap on the comp. A lot of these companies cap their compensation at $4,500, $6,500. We don't have that. So whether you're writing a $10 million deal or a $1 million deal, it's all going to pay you out at your comp level. Another thing is, as a fully independent broker with over 100 lenders, we do have the lowest rates in the business. Unlimited opportunities for all your clients.
Can I speak to that real quick? I actually have also been in real estate, and I was giving all my loans the past couple of years to a preferred lender, but I had many deals that couldn't get done because they were going through just one company. And then actually that's how I connected with Jay. And having so many lenders, I no longer had deals that weren't getting done because we could do QM, non-QM, we could do bank statement loans, we could do, you name it, we could do it. I was also doing commercial loans.
Absolutely. The other thing is having full control over the pricing. You don't have to go to your manager and ask for a 25 basis point concession on the rate.
You gotta love that.
A couple of other great things about us. We are the #1 rated tech by UWM.
That's huge.
Huge, absolutely. Maybe you could touch on some of that.
Well, I'll say this. I help with people with the onboarding as a production coach, and I will hear time and time again from people saying, I didn't have this where I came from. It's a cloud-based technology, and it's phenomenal. It's Empower, it's our intranet. It provides you every tool you need, everything from doing the deal to really, figuring out what the best rates are, as well as coaching. We use Carl White's Mortgage Market Animals. That, for me especially, that has been transformative in my growth as a loan officer.
Jared, one thing that we've been seeing a lot in the industry lately is a lot of companies have been letting support staff go, leaving the loan officer out to dry. One thing that we've taken great pride in is having in-house support staff. Every loan officer has a dedicated loan officer assistant as well as a processor to take you from contract to close.
Yeah, and I'll speak to that, because I've also done real estate. One of the strengths is team for me and having a great transaction coordinator. Well, when I shifted over to mortgages, having a loan officer assistant that could really begin the process for me, I got the application, I handed it off to my loan officer assistant, and then went into processing. And this is all in-house. It's essential services, which really, it changed the game for me. It allowed me to do both real estate as well as mortgages. And the other thing too, we have in-house marketing. So if you're wanting to do videos or you wanted to do any type of flyers, whatever you need, we have that. We want to resource you to be successful.
We've also, to touch on support, we've recently instituted our VA on demand program. So every loan officer with us has the ability to contract a VA for a short amount of time for work, whether that's 2 hours or 40 hours. They can generate your business for you. They can set your realtor appointments all on your behalf. Hey, Jared, if they want to move forward on anything, would you go over what a few of the next steps would be?
That's a great question. We really believe in a very simple yet effective approach to onboarding. And it really starts with just a phone call. All you need to do is reach out to me. At the bottom of the email, you're going to see a thing which says schedule discovery session with Jared. All you need to do is schedule it. It comes to me. We schedule 30 minutes. We talk about who you are, where you're at, really what you're wanting to achieve. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect you with John, our CEO, and he can really go into even greater depth. And very few times do you get a chance to have an opportunity to connect with the CEO and ask those questions. And whatever those questions are, whether, hey, what am I going to get paid? What are the opportunities? What does the culture look like? Because I will tell you this, just because you're a company doesn't mean you're a healthy culture. And the one thing I love about Mpire is the culture trumps everything. I used to do executive coaching, and one of the things that I'd always say is culture eats strategy for lunch. And I will tell you, we have some of the best culture that I have seen anywhere. It's healthy, it's conducive to growth, And really, it's fun. You know, we just had our Christmas party, and people loved it. And so I believe by next year, we're going to actually need a much bigger room because we got a lot of people joining our team. So do this. Just click on a discovery session. I look forward to meeting you and hopefully having you join the team. But until then, anything you want to say?
That's it.
Well, hey, I wish you my best.